if you're experiencing a verification pending status with SY Bancorp 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any verification emails from SY Bancorp. Sometimes, the verification process requires you to confirm your email address or provide additional information. Step 2. Review account information. Log into your SY Bancorp account and verify that all your personal information is accurate and complete. Incomplete or incorrect information can lead to a pending verification status. Step 3. Submit required documents. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the verification status remains pending after checking your email and submitting documents, reach out to SY Bancorp's customer support. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any issues. Step 5. Monitor your account. After taking the necessary steps, keep an eye on your account for any updates regarding the verification status. It may take some time for the changes to reflect, so be patient. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue efficiently. If problems persist, continue to seek assistance from customer support.